Hi guys, I'm make a video regarding to install an Android 10.3 inch screen. So I basically pre-pried this already. Basically you're gonna need like a little flathead or some sort of plastic removal tool. I'm installing an Android, so it does came with a plastic piece. So what you want to do, you're not going to use this radio anymore, but you're not trying to damage it. So I'm not going to try to pry it here. I'm going to try to pry it out here a little bit at a time, like one here, one there, then here, and here. And then once you get that off, it's going to come off like this a little bit. So now you want to go on the bottom right there and pry it and put your thumb right this and pull it out a little bit, and then come over here and do the same thing. And then once it come out, it's pretty simple. I mean, we're gonna have to replace this knob and everything too with the Android. So there's a clip right there. You just press it and pull it out. Now sometimes it's tight, so when you press it and you zigzag, like move it around. And then you got two Phillip right there, 4 Phillip, 2, 4 right there. Just take it out. So just drill it like so. Then remove all of it out and make sure it's not going to drop down there. Now just pull it directly out, push this clip up, and like I said, pull it out. All of them are like that, same as this right here. See this clip for the antenna? Whoop, came out already. Do all the same. Now we're going to have to take all this out. The AC control, you can see right here. These gonna come here and these gonna come here. In my case, since this car, this SUV doesn't have a backup camera, so I use the grabber right here. You can get it from Advance or any what I mean by grabber is like this. So you push, see, and just grab it. That you can get it. I got that from O'Reilly, so I pulled this out for that. So the customer want the backup camera also. So sometimes you might have to take this metal out, cut it out, but this model you don't have to. We're gonna transfer this to over here. So you're gonna take 2 of this, 2 of these, and 3 of these right there, the Phillips. And just take it straight out and transfer it. Just do the same one so you don't get confused. Yes, YouTube don't tell you everything. You're right. So we'll take it up here and put it like this. Let's take these now. We'll screw it later. So after that, make sure it's tight. Flip it over. See, looking nice, huh? Make sure there's nothing underneath so you don't damage the screen. So now you just have to hold one finger right there, take a flathead and pry it out so it don't fly all over the place. Had to look for it. I know one time it flew about 6 feet and I couldn't find it. Alright, well now just stick it in right here like this. Take a hammer or flathead, end of the flathead, and tap it in, tap it down. Alright, so right now I'm gonna have to run the Bluetooth mic, and then I'm gonna run this 2 USB right here to the secret lighter, the glove compartment. Let's start doing it. Alright, so I'm gonna slide this plug through here, right there. As you can see right here, just grab them. Now back at these, all I'm gonna do is just plug. This is for the backup camera. Just plugged it in. Plug the main power harness in. And If it's got a built-in amp, it need that. No amp. That's weird. Oh, okay, right there. If it's got amps, you plug the amp over here. If it doesn't have amp, you don't have to. I don't know if this thing got amp or not. We'll find out on that part. So we're gonna plug this in right there. This is if they wanna put like a chip for like a phone chip, like that way you can use your you don't have to use a Wi-Fi. Yeah, that's basically for Wi-Fi. Now I got the antenna right here, and then this GPS. Sorry, it's a 4G, not a GPS. GPS is the other one right here. Right there. Screw it in. These don't need to put out front anything. It can stay behind the stereo. Make it simple. Now I'll put the GPS in here. You got a bigger hand, you might have to use a flat hat to push it, but you can go like this. And now for the CAN bus, I'll put this one right here. This for display, like if some of them might not work, some of them will work. It show like your temperature of your cars and so on. Amp detection. We're gonna have to put amp signal over here, or it might not need it. We'll see on this one also. So let's try to hook it up and see if it works. So I got the white one to the yellow one just in case I had to hook it up to the backup cameras over there. This is one of the wires, gonna be white and light green. But in my case, it should have built-in one. It's a brown wire. It's right next to the red wire. That's a backup cameras. I'm just gonna tap to that and plug this to the single jack right there. So I'm plugging this to the brown wire. I'm just gonna test, see if it's with an amp or without. I think it with, but I'm gonna find out. Oh, I can tell over here. Okay, you see, if you want to tell if it's got with an amp or not, this is without an amp because it's supposed to have only like 2 right there. 1, 2, not 4 on this side. Okay, that means it's don't have an amp. So I'm gonna disconnect this one without an amp or no amp right here. I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth that I ran from there. Gotta fix this thing up. It seemed like it's somebody pulled that out before and it's not staying up that good. So I'm gonna poke that on there. There will say mic right there. See mic. Now it's a parking, so I'm gonna take this and ground it. Meaning I'm gonna tap it to this black wire right there. So everything's plugged. I'm gonna plug this 2 right there. One of them is 6, one of them is 4, as you can see right there. So I taped the one with the 6. Did I do that? I didn't do that. Okay, so the one with the 6, I'm gonna tape it. That's for like an Android Apple CarPlay wired one instead of wireless. Now antenna right here, I'm gonna plug it to the white one. Now plug the main harness and plug the green wire for the AC control. That will go to the bottom. I'm not gonna do anything yet. I'm gonna just try to see if it works first. You see all my wiring and everything. It's not done yet. I'll make sure it's play. Turn the key on. It should come on like that, and then we'll wait for a few minutes. For a minute, because it's got a first time it's got to boot itself. It usually take about 50 seconds. So let's see if it got sound. Let's play some music. No music. Oh yes, there's music. Okay, so I know reverse camera is not hooked up yet because I'm checking, see that yellow one's got power. If not, I had to power it up over there to the back, but I didn't plug the back either. I just ran it. Oh, I thought I didn't plug it yet. I must have did. Let's go look at it. Oh yes, I did. Wow. So I don't have to back over here. All I had to do, I wrap this black wire, the red wire for power, because it's got power there. I don't have to do anything. And then I ground it like this. And as you can see right there, I ran the wire through here. And this was, I had to spray W40, WD-40, and then run it all the way over there. Make sure your hand is clean to do that. Now, I'm not doing a video how to do a camera, so. Alright, everything is put in. I don't have to cut the metal behind it. And now, let's see how long it takes to come right on. It come right on, as you can see right there. So volume's good. I'm not putting no sound because of the YouTube. So let's go back home. Let's put on reverse. Perfect. Don't have to do any setting, anything like that. There should be a line. A lot of these, they have a line where you can do a setting on the line. I don't know. You go setting, and I don't know, the network location, account, storage, accessible, system. Oh, that's just the timing. Let's set up. Come on, home. YouTube, CarPlay, call setting right there. So this is Android 13. So I'm not that familiar. Factory, general. Sometimes when you do this, it show on here. On a certain car doesn't have that option. But anyway, display, sound, factory setting. I'm not sure the code. I'm trying 1 2 3 4. Nope. 3688. Nope. 1 2 3 4. Did I do that? Yep, I did. 8888. Oh man. 1111. Okay, let me see the manual. At least this one's got the whole setup right here. It's got everything. It tell you like set up and everything. A lot of them don't come with a manual, so it was pretty difficult. And I'm looking for that passcode to get into the factory setting. Navigation, date, time zone, setup. I just don't know the password. I have a full link of all the password they have, but I'm not taking that time. I'm trying to see what's in here. Wow. Oh, I found it. I don't have to go to the main setting, factory setting. I just go general right here, reverse line. I'm gonna put it on. See, reverse auxiliary line. Let me see that. Oh, no, I don't see the line. So reverse line on. Hopefully it works. There you go. Here's a line. You want that line. I like that line. Other than that, the customer is gonna have to read the manual. This younger customer, so, and check the time and update and erase data code, factory reset, and all that stuff. You can go to wireless update right there. Just pull that screen down like this. See the Wi-Fi. You can be able to see my Wi-Fi right there if you hold it. See all this Wi-Fi right there. So thanks for watching. This cool feature. So when you rotate it, look, it moved too. So that's perfect. I might have to take this off. So yeah, look at this. I took the line off and look, see, you make a turn, it show you. That's perfect. I like that.